Good morning and welcome to the second annual SingularityU South Africa Summit. For those of you that were here last year, I put this picture up of my kids and I spoke about how their future is going to be nothing like our past. But after spending 12 months in the S Universe, I've come to realize that it's not only about our children, it's about us. It's about our generation. It's about the 40-year-olds and the 50-year-olds. It's even about our parents. And I'm going to go as far as to suggest it's even about our grandparents. This is a smiling, sweet, swinging Joe Sivan. Last month, he celebrated his 99th birthday. And he was super excited to attend the summit. Unfortunately, he got flu last week, so he wasn't able to attend. But that didn't stop us from putting a stream directly into his bedroom so that he could learn about how exponential tech is going to radically change the world. A big shout out to Zeta Joe. Hello, Zeta Joe. We truly are living in the most remarkable time. 2 months ago, we had the privilege of attending the SingularityU Global Summit in Silicon Valley. And a presentation that stood out for me was Peter Diamandis' presentation. The title of the talk was, "The Future is Faster Than You Think." And he talks about the acceleration of innovation. And what he means by innovation is the sharing of ideas between people. And he talks about these 7 incredible driving forces that are accelerating this innovation. They are computation abundance, time abundance, capital abundance, demonetization of technology, communication abundance, increased genius, and increased lifespan. And I'm so thrilled for all of you that we're going to be diving deeply into all of these driving forces over the next 48 hours. We have an incredible lineup of speakers here today. At Singularity's inaugural conference in 2008, Larry Page said this: "I think we need to be training people on how to change the world." With that sentiment firmly in place, that helped shape SU's mission, which is to educate, empower, and inspire leaders and future leaders to apply exponential technology to solve some of humanity's grand challenges. With that mission firmly in place, the S Universe has grown. We have 200,000 members of the S Universe. There are 40,000 alumni. There are chapters in 127 countries. SU Ventures, headed up by Monique Gigi, who's sitting right there in the front, has raised over $600 million in funding and invested in 58 incredible companies. There are 14 summits like this one around the globe in incredible places like Peru and Chile and Mexico, Australia, Germany, Denmark, Sweden, South Africa. And the international summit organizer, Bodana Kasala, is here. You're going to be hearing from her just a bit later. There are 5 country partnerships in the world. The country partnership is basically the way Singularity has realized to expand globally. They basically bring the university to the shores of the country. And let's look at it. At the moment, they have a country partnership with Canada. There's a country partnership with the Nordics, which is Denmark, Sweden, and Finland. There's a country partnership in Portugal, and there's a country partnership in Italy. And I'm so proud to announce here today that South Africa is officially a country partnership with Singularity University. And what this means, in very simple terms, because you're going to be hearing a lot of incredible things later, I'll try to keep it very simple, is that we bring in the best thinking of Silicon Valley and we're going to be delivering it using our local faculty in South Africa and Africa. This is a game changer for the continent. And we have already trained our 10 faculty members that have gone across to Silicon Valley to be certified as Singularity faculty. Here they are. Give them a big round of applause. They are incredible people. So please visit our stand at the exhibition space. Everything will, all our programs that are on offer will be there, and I encourage you to go and learn about them. It's a really, really incredible time. So all of this incredibleness would not be possible without the support of our partners, starting off with our collaboration partner, Standard Bank. Standard Bank understood the need to drive Africa's growth and understood that if they brought exponential tech to the continent, they will make it go faster and faster. And I can't tell you, how important it is to have such an incredible forward-thinking company on as our partner. And in the audience today, we've got Sim Shabalala, who's here. He flew in from, where was it? I think Fiji. And Ben Kruger and Jacques Marais and David Monroe. And they're really taking this at the highest level of the executive team. And we welcome you all and thank you so much. We have our global partner, Deloitte, who's had a long-standing relationship with SU. They really get it, and they've been an incredible support. And then we have our strategic partners. MTN is back for the second year, SAP is back for the second year, and our new partners, Liberty Life and HP. And then we have our media partner, Power FM. So thank you so much to the partners. Really, the reason we can do this on such a large scale and so big like this, to bring this impact, is because of the partners. So I want to leave you with this closing thought. Can you imagine what Zeta Joe has seen in his 99 years? He was born in 1919, it's 2018. Can you imagine the innovation he's seen? Well, I'd like to suggest that that innovation is going to pale in comparison to the innovation that all of you sitting in this room are going to see over the next 15 years. At SingularityU South Africa, our mission is to build a global community of change makers. And I welcome you all to our global community. Thank you so much.